We're done. First exam daw. Pero natapos kami in under 1 hour.
Yes.
Kasi madali lang.
Madali lang
Yes,
siya,
mayabang
guys.
kami ngayon, madali
Mayabang
lang kasi
kami.
talaga.
Tapos ang score, hindi.
Hindi. Feel ko,
Sure kami.
like mga less than 5 mistakes kami. I'm curling my
Oh,
legs.
parang I want this short hair. Or no.
Go!
Like this. Or okay na yung like na hair ko.
Mahaba.
So long.
Di ba ganito dati?
Oo.
Go! Tapos ipa-layer mo.
Oo. May usually naman nakabili na ako ngayon.
Oh!
Hinulaan ko ng size, buti tama.
Ay, parehas ba tayo?
Nang?
Saan ka bumili?
Ay, hindi ito ah. Itong ball.
Ah, yung ball. Pero yung...
Ito, ano ba ito? Hindi. Saan dito kali ko? Di ba sa'yo yung kali?
Oo, pero kung
Sa,
pa...
ano akin? Pero hindi siya kali.
Ah.
Like China brand siya. Kasi,
Ano?
Legit.
Paano pala hindi na ako nag-breakfast sa bahay?
Ako rin eh. May naiisip ako pero...
Ano? Saan? Saan?
What if?
Ano?
Ay, sobrang tagal kasi natin dito. What if mag-ano na tayo?
Saan daw?
SM Santander or ano?
Ano? Mawa?
Hindi. Hindi naman. Or North.
No! Pwede rin Cubao.
Ay, ko.
Gateway.
Pwede tayo sa...
Mag-drive na lang tayo pupunta sa Legarda Station.
Pwede. Tara. Gateway tayo.
Hey guys! Hi guys! We're on our way to Legarda Station. On our way to Legarda. At 8 a.m.
Wala kami klase. Mamaya at exam.
KKV now. It's just 10:30 by the way.
By the way, and our next class is still
Naka
5.
first exam na kami, tapos nakakuha na kami ng beep card. Like the ano, yung Korean snacks.
Churros.
Masarap yan. Gusto ko ng latiao guys. Latiao. Nico, we miss you. We miss you, Nico. Bag or damit? Bag or damit? Bag or damit?
Ooh, what is the Mary gonna get?
I don't have money for both. I need to choose one.
I'm gonna get Mofu Sand. 390 lang guys.
Bread meow.
Guys, kukunin na namin. Pero sa kanya, bag.
Na 1.5. Sa kanya 3.90.
390. Para bang anak ni Henry si.
I bought it.
Damn, with the big Uniqlo bag.
So, rarampa ako sa UFT mamaya ng may malaking
Oo.
Uniqlo bag. May reward na kami sa exams. Na para bang may 2 exams pa kami. Ay, tama, 2 exams pa.
2 pa.
Hindi pa kami tapos, pero may reward.
Reward na. Nauna na agad.
Yes. Smile. Happy kid.
Pakita ko yung sir.
Hey. Hey guys, so sa phone na muna ako mag-vlog kasi nandun yung camera ko, ayaw ko na siya ilabas and paalis na ko in a while so. But I'm reviewing my exam for today. I only have 1 exam today and it's Medlaw. It's Medlaw. I'm low-key scared. Actually not low-key, high-key scared. Kasi yung prof namin sa Medlaw is prof din namin sa Viscom and Intro to Com. And medyo okay lang naman yung exam kahapon. But with Medlaw, I don't know. Also, I bought a new bag from Uniqlo. Actually, nakita niyo na ata yun. Pero nauna yung reward. Kasi matapos yung exams. Diba? Ang galing ko talaga. This is how the bag looks like. Hindi ko alam. Dadalhin ko to. Froggy. But this is... I like it, guys. I like it so much. Like, ang ganda niya. Thank you, Uniqlo, for making this bag. Thank you, Uniqlo. But yes, it's so spacious sa loob. Like, sobra. Like, ang dami kong nalagay. I mean, ito rin naman yung laman ng bag ko. Pero, if maglalagay pa ako ng things, I can put more.
Wait lang, or 0.5.
0.5. Let me see.
What did Starbucks sell?
It's 5:55 and I actually had an exam earlier kaninang umaga. 7 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. Maaga akong nakauwi. Kakagising ko lang. Natulog ako kaninang 3 tapos kakagising ko lang ngayon. Kasi ang sarap din ng weather kasi malamig. So, sinulit ko na guys. Sinulit ko na. Also guys, hindi ko alam if marami akong clips na na-take kasi sobrang busy. Ang dami talagang ginawa. I mean kasi prelims nga. I just finished eating dinner. And I'm gonna do a haul of what I got from KKV kanina kasi nag-SM North ako. I got pencils for Mellow and Maddie. Erasers for Mellow and Maddie also. Ito yung mga erasers na ginagamit ko dati sa school tapos nilalaro ko. 39 each lang ito lahat. Like, that's so affordable. And then, of course, I got something for myself also. I got 2 pens. The first one is a black pen. It's like Sarasa, guys, but cheaper. This is just 400. This is 49 pesos. And I got this green pen because I love color green. Yung parang siyang yung sa Pilot, yung may ink na gumagalaw sa loob. And this is just 39 pesos. The last one I got is a washi tape because I need it for my junk journal. This arrived yesterday and I was so happy, guys. This arrived yesterday. Okay, dalawang ano siya eh. Wait. Dalawang ganito. My second... Tawag doon? Basta yun. My first and second floor. You'll see a magazine. Makikita niyo tong magazine. I can use this for my junk journal. So, ang makikita niyo here is yung mga shade finders for their multi-use base. I'm gonna do a video, TikTok video about this. What's the difference of these, guys? Shade finder, medium tan, fair to light. Shade finder, color corrector. Ito gets. What's the difference? Magkaiba ba siya? Oh my god. Different na siya. Ito multi-use base. Para silang multi-use base. Oh my god, really? Bagong packaging na Radiance Scent. Sorry. Ngayon ko lang nalaman. I didn't know. Akala ko matte to lahat. Like, akala ko fresh matte to lahat. What do we have here? Hindi ko pa kasi ito nakakalikot kasi sabi ko kagabi. Hindi pa siya worth it kalikutin kasi hindi pa ako tapos sa prelims. Hindi pa ako tapos sa prelims ko. Ngayon, patapos naman ako sa prelims ko. Like, essay na lang naman ang kulang ko. Customizable face palette for this. Yung mga color correcting cream. Alam niyo, gusto ko to. Ito dapat yung bibilin ko dati kasi sabi sa TikTok maganda yung color correcting cream. ng Get Ready With Me. For the second sorbet, nagulo sila. Ito yung bagong release. Bagong release din ba yung Freshman? Alam ko bagong release din yung Freshman. And they have the minis as well as the big ones. So, and they also have a concealer brush here. Tsaka yung spatula. Guys, first time ko magkaroon ng spatula. First time ko magkaroon ng ganito. Yung pang lapat ng base. First time ko magkaganto. How do I remove this? Itaas na yan. Matataas ko ba yung ano? May puff din. They have a puff as well. Grabe, ang dami. Okay. Umabas na sila lahat. May 4 types, 4 shades. I don't know. 4 types, 4 shades. Yung Get Ready With Me Powder Rush. Ito yung dati, yung Powder Rush din, pero hindi siya blur. Hindi siya blurring. Now, we have a new one. But these are blurring powders. So, I can't wait to try these. May shade na Cherry Blossom, which I think is equivalent to Brighten Pink. Ngayon lang ako nakakita ng ganitong powder. Purple. Yum. Blotting sheets then, and Life Proof Fixing Spray. Thanks again, Get Ready With Me Cosmetics. Guys, it's 10:05 and wala na akong malagay dito sa essay. Though patapos naman na ako, pero kasi nag-break ako. Break? Parang nag-break ako. Sabi ko, mag-rest ako for like 10 minutes. So, humiga ako sa kama. Naging 30 minutes. Nag-scroll lang ako sa TikTok. So, ngayon, wala akong maisip. Hindi na gumagana utak ko actually. It's now 11:01 and I'm almost done sa art app submission ko. But I'm gonna pass it tomorrow kasi wala akong maisip na title. And yes, I guess that's it. I'm gonna take a bath and then I'm gonna go to sleep. I hope you enjoyed watching this one. Bye guys!